So the Chase Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Credit Card is basically a love letter to anyone who flies Southwest more than a couple times a year, but it's definitely not for everybody. Like if you're just booking random budget flights here and there, the $149 annual fee is going to feel heavy. But if you're loyal to Southwest, the perks almost cancel that out. The 100,000 point sign-up bonus looks insane on paper, but let's be real. You need to spend $4,000 in the first 5 months, which for some people is doable, but others might be stretching just to hit that. And if you don't, the whole pitch kind of falls apart. Where it shines is the travel perks. Free checked bags for you and up to 8 people on your reservation is actually huge. Families save hundreds per trip on baggage fees, and that adds up fast. They also throw in 6,000 points every year on your anniversary, which doesn't sound like a lot until you realize it can shave a decent chunk off a short-haul flight. On the flip side, the APR is steep, 19.99% to 28.49% variable. So carrying a balance is basically setting money on fire. This card only makes sense if you're paying it off in full. And some of the new perks feel like a weird tease. Preferred seating and Group 5 boarding don't kick in until 2026. So if you're signing up now, you're paying for promises that don't exist yet. Reviews are kind of split. Southwest diehards love racking up points fast and hitting Companion Pass faster, but casual travelers complain that outside of Southwest flights, the 1x point earnings are trash, and redeeming points only makes sense if you're locked into flying them a lot. The 15% annual flight discount is a nice touch, but again, only if you're Southwest loyal. If you're hopping airlines, you'll get way more value from a general travel card. No foreign transaction fees are clutch if you're leaving the country. But then again, Southwest barely flies international, so it feels a little gimmicky. I wouldn't call it a scam. Chase delivers what it promises, but the best offer this year, marketing feels louder than the real-world value unless you're a frequent Southwest flyer. Worth it if you're already in that ecosystem. Not worth it if you're not. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice, just a breakdown of pros, cons, and real-world value. Always do your own research before applying.